Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Coders Arcade. In today's video, we'll be looking at the code of Radix sort in C++. Okay, this will be the second part. I have already showed you how to understand and learn the Radix sort algo. Yes, this is here, you can see on the screen. So we have already learned how to understand the algo behind Radix sort. In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to code it. Okay, I already have the pre-written code. I'll be showing you line by line how to execute it. Okay, fine. So before starting this, I would like to request all of you to please like and share our videos with your friends and family. And at the same time, thank you for supporting us. And if you really like this videos that we make, please give the videos a thumbs up, like them and subscribe to our channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified about the latest updates. Okay, so thank you. So as I said, today I will show you how the code actually works for Radix sort in C++. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to my IDE now. Okay, you can see I have the code and I have made it with proper comments so that you understand it better. Okay, as we know that Radix sort actually works from units place to tens place to hundreds and so on, right? And you have to find the max, right? I have three functions here. If you see, see, this is the Radix sort function. It takes the array and the size. Okay, then I have the function to find the max element in the array. Guys, if you have not gone through the Radix sort algo video, I'm giving you the link in the description. Please go and look at it. Try to understand it, then only you will understand the code, how it works. Okay, so I will give you the link of the description. And also Radix sort is dependent on count sort, so you have to watch the count sort algo in the video as well. Okay, I will give you the link in the description for Radix sort algo and also for the count sort algo and code implementation. Okay, you go through them, you will understand them, then only you can understand this video. Fine. So as I said, this is the function to find the max value. Okay, in count also, in Radix also, we have to find the max value. After that, you can see we have the count sort function. Okay, the find max function obviously takes the array and the size, and the count sort function, it takes the array, it takes the size, and it takes the exponent. Why the exponent? Because as I said, we need the units, the tens and the hundreds and so on, right? So you have to divide by 1, 10, 100 and so on. Fine. So in the main function here, you can see we have the array, then we have the dynamic size calculated like this, size of the array divided by size of any element of the array. Okay, this will give you the dynamic size. You don't have to write any static size. Okay, then we are calling the Radix sort function. Okay, after that simply we are printing the sorted array. That's it, right? So let's go to the Radix sort function and see what it is doing. Okay, here we are simply calling the find max function here. If you see the find max function, simple, we are initializing the max element to be the first element of the array, then we are iterating over the array, and then obviously we are just returning the max from this. As simple as that. You already know that, right? So what we are doing is we are calling this max function because based on that we have to check the number of iterations. You know that, right, guys? From the Radix sort algo, you know that we need the max number of iterations based on the maximum digit in the array. Okay, the largest element in the array will give you the number of iterations in the Radix sort algo. Correct? After that, what we are doing is we are starting from the units digit. You can see that's why the exponent variable is equal to 1. Then we are dividing the max by the exponent as long as it is greater than 0, because if it becomes greater than 0, then we have already finished the number of iterations. And simultaneously what we are doing, we are just doing exponent equal to exponent into 10. So it will be 1 in the beginning, then it will become 10, then 100 and 1000 and so on. Okay, fine. Then simply in this, each iteration of Radix sort is count sort, right? You know that. So we are calling the count sort function by passing the array, the size and the exponent. Initially it is 1, then 10, then 100 and so on depending on the max value. Okay. So you understood the Radix sort, how it is working. And obviously guys, you already know about the count sort function. Correct? Here you can see we have already discussed about the count sort. Here there are a little bit of changes. Okay. This you know, this is the output array to store the number of elements. Okay, then we have the count array to count the number of elements, right? This is a non-comparison algorithm, we just count them, right? Guys, please go through the videos also so that you can understand better about this. Fine. After that, you can see we are just counting the elements in each occurrence, in each exponent. Okay, units place, tens place, hundreds place and so on. So initially exponent will be 1, and then you can see we are doing mod 10. Why? Because we need that particular element. Yes, got it. So that means if you think of a number, let me just take an example. Say the number is 326. Then if you do exponent by divide by 1, obviously it will be 326 only. Okay. Then if you do mod 10, what will be the answer? The answer will be 6. So initially you got that single digit that is required for our count sort, right? We know that count sort works for single digit numbers. Okay. 0 to 9. All this number of digits can be handled. Fine. And say if you want the next number, what will you do? Because if you see here, see guys, exponent becomes into 10, right? Initially it is 1. So 1 into 10 will become 10, right? Now see here, in the next step, it will be 10. So this becomes 32. Integer division, got it? 6 will not come. Then what is 32 mod 10? It will be 2, obviously. So you got through to the next digit. And after that, it will be 100. So then you will get 100 into 3 is 300, right? So it will be 3. So 3 mod 10 will be 3. Okay, so ultimately you got to 6, then 2, then you got to 3, right? That's why this is working. Got it now? So that is how actually this exponent value is actually giving you the single digit, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, and the rest of the things are almost same. You can see first we are counting the cumulative count. You know that, right? The current element is equal to the current plus the previous. This is what is happening here. You have to go through the video, guys, then only you will understand that. Okay, after that you can see we have to start from the end of the array here. So you can see n minus 1 going till 0 minus minus, because we always have to start from the end of the array, because the cumulative count is taken from the left. So we start updating the array from the right hand side. Okay, and rest of the things are same here. You can see here only the difference is we have the exponent and the mod 10 here every time. Okay, fine. After that, initially we have the output array, but we have to modify the input array only, whatever is given here, right? You can see here, this is the input array we have to modify. So we are copying the output. See, we're copying the output back to the input array. That's all. Now guys, see the elements given here, 84, 599, etc., etc., like this. Let me run this and show you. See, the sorted array is 0, 9, 68, 76, 84, 150, 420, 599 and 1000. Okay, so this is working absolutely fine. Guys, if you have any doubts in this, you can ping us in the comment section. But I hope if you go through the algo and the other videos given in the description, you will understand properly about it. And try to write it after trying to go through the algo. Okay, try to write it on your own. If you don't understand, please ping us, or else try more and more. Try to go through this video once again, you will understand. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you have liked this video. Please stay tuned for more content like this. We will be bringing you more lots of DSA contents in future. Okay, so stay tuned, and thank you for supporting us. If you like this content, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. So till the next video, this is Saurabh signing off. Bye bye and happy learning.